In today's exercise, I want to demonstrate how to do HIIT with the treadmill, all right? So HIIT means high intensity interval training. So what we're going to do, especially on the treadmill, is we're going to do a burst, which we're going to be from 30 seconds to 60 seconds sprint. And then after that, we're going to go into a jog, which is more moderate pace, into another 30 to a 60 second pace, all right? This all depends on how your program is designed. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and start the machine. I always say let's start off at a jog pace. So a good jog pace for me will be about 6 miles per hour. So I'm going to do this for about 60 seconds. Let's say the program is designed for 60 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and jog at a nice pace for 60 seconds. Now once I hit that 60-second mark, now I'm going to go ahead and increase the speed to a sprint. So let's say my sprinting speed is 12 miles per hour. Once I hit that 60-second mark in that sprint, go ahead and slow it down back to your jogging speed. So mine was 6 miles per hour. What I usually do is jump off, go ahead and reset it. Once it slows down back to 6 miles per hour, then I jump back on and do another 60-second jog. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it again. So let's say I'm jogging, 60 seconds hit. Once again, set it up to my sprint speed. It's speeding up to 12 miles per hour to my sprint. I want to do that for another 60 seconds. Once I hit my 60-second mark, jump off, slow it down, back to your jogging speed, which is mine. It's 6 miles per hour. Once the treadmill slows down to that speed, safely go back into it. Another 60 seconds. This is how you do HIIT with the treadmill.